I got the iPhone 17 Pro, 512 gigabytes, and it's right here. This is an upgrade from the iPhone 15 Pro 256. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. You can tell iPhone 17 Pro. We're gonna do an unboxing video really shortly. So what we're gonna say is this came on the day when it was release date. I pre-ordered it from last Friday. So here we go. So I'm gonna move the camera a little bit to where you can see my desk. Right there, and we're going to do this really quickly. Well, I could open it like this, but it could fall out, so I don't want it to fall out. So here we go. There we go, take that. The other one, and there we go. Now we're gonna unbox this. Oh my god! Look at this. What? I'm trying to get. It comes with the phone itself. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the paper off, and then. Oh my goodness, the paper off. So the reason why I upgraded this because the camera has 48 megapixels, all of them. It also has a telephoto lens that goes up to 8 times zoom, 40 times zoom in the thing. So it was cool. And I got the charger right here. Look at this stunning color. Stunning color. Now I will turn on, but I have to do another video on that, or not video, but I have to turn on and do it myself. So, but this is what it looks like. Now it's a different layout to my phone, which I'm going to bring it over here. Let me take my other phone on my 15 Pro, by the way. So this is what it looks like. This is different layout. So between these two, I'll put them on the desk. It's getting stuck to my phone. You get this right here. These are the layout that looks like this. So these are the comparison you can see in the camera. You can see the two different parents. That one is my actual 15 Pro, and this is it kind of looks like a dark blue and black, kind of. So it looks kind of cool. So, yeah. 15 Pro. And that's it, guys. I'll be uploading this very shortly.